Good afternoon, gang. Third video of the day. This one is a little different. The UPS guy just showed up here 15 minutes ago. And I say that because it took me that long to open the box. And I got a absolutely stunning, gorgeous handmade gift from one of y'all. And it's done by Zane. Zane's got a business he owns called Patriot Designs. And all I can do is show you this thing. So here, that is a about 4 foot by 2 foot, 2-inch thick, hand carved flag. Obviously it's a flag. In the field with the stars, that is the military intelligence emblem. And if you can see there in the stripes to the right of the star field is the Second Amendment. And this is all hand carved. This isn't done with a CNC machine or anything like that. He does all this with the Dremel tool. But this is stunning, is the only way that I can describe this thing. It is absolutely freaking gorgeous. And I am so appreciative to him for sending me that. Zane being a fellow veteran, certainly we stick together, and just the fact that he'd do something like this for me as thanks for my service and as thanks for the channel is beyond anything I can comprehend. But I wanted to share this with you guys. I just talked to him on the phone here real quick. He's got an Instagram, he's got a Facebook, in case anybody's interested in getting one for themselves. Obviously, you can customize it because the military intelligence insignia there was customized for me. But I asked him to put up his Facebook and his Instagram on there, and I'll pin the comment on the top so it's at the top. So if anybody's interested in getting with him and seeing what he's got, y'all can do there. But Zane, all I want to say is, and I got to do this here. Thank you very much, sir. Much appreciated. Pinball out.